Hello and welcome back to Simply at Home. Today we are going to be making shapes. We're going to be making shapes from pizza boxes at home. We are going to be recycling and repurposing this or repurposing the pizza box. So let me show you the things that we're going to be using for this particular project. Yes, scissors for cutting them, and I'm going to be using a geometry box because we're going to be making a circle from this circle, square, using the scale and other things. And yes, pencil or pen to do the marking, glue. And in my project I have taken up these oil papers or color papers, as we can call it. You get them in any local stationery store. I come from India, and so here you get it at a rate of probably 2 rupees per sheet, and you can use it for other projects as well if you can repurpose them. So the base of the pizza box I'm going to be using at a later time. So let's dive in as to how we're going to be making these shapes. Well, if it's going to be the child also, you're going to be involving, mostly if they are going to be preschoolers. Kindly, it has to be only with adult supervision because I'm using scissors and a compass. Compass can also harm if it's not handled properly. So considering I've given my disclaimer, let's dive in. So the base I have taken is about 10 centimeters diameter. 10 centimeters is the length for the rectangle, the base, the triangle. So that's the size of the shape we're going to be making, purely because we're going to have the child hold. Tip number 1, that we're going to be using these shapes for holding, placing and tracing it along into other notebooks, or your drawing notebook or whatever. So that is the reason why we're going to be making this a little bigger. So we're going to be doing tracing activity. And number 2, if you're going to get the child doing the cutting, it's also a grasp and scissor activity, pincer activity. Next thing I'm going to be doing, now that we have cut out the shapes, is we're going to be sticking this on those colors. Tip number 2, we're going to be using these shapes also to learn colors. So the core colors I have taken here. Now if you're going to have very small children, instead of glue you can have glue stick, which is tip number 3. It's again a pincer activity where they can just go on rubbing on these sheets. And tip number 4, if you're having children for working on such craft projects along, you can stick it on some plain white sheets, and they can paint, color, fabricate it. So they can also paint the core colors, which is also good fun for children to get engaged at home. So coloring is another good way of engaging children. That's also another beautiful art form. And yeah, simply this. So the other thing is, other key tip is, I will be using the other part of the pizza box to make one more set of these shapes. You can also make one more set of these shapes because we can start playing games, as in matching. You can have 2 sets of this and you can do a matching game. The example I have shown here of matching is, I'm just showing it with another puzzle that I already have. So we're going to be matching circle with circle and triangle with triangle and so on. And also we can use flashcards versus this. How creative we get with children to, we're still teaching shapes and colors. How different we want to explore and take it forward in a fun way is in our hands. And by engaging the child sitting next to us and observing all this, another thing is, not everything we need to go up to a store to pick up. We can always make something creative and fun as a family time together, simply at home. Signing off, this is Ramya, Simply at Home. Hope you like this video. Like, share and comment, and do subscribe. Bye bye.